Hey there guys, it's Mr. Brownie7997 here. So when I wanted to create my YouTube channel, I said to myself, what am I gonna put on my YouTube channel? So I play a lot of games most of the time, play Xbox, GTA, NBA 2K, and I decided that's what my YouTube channel is gonna be about. So my first unboxing for my channel is a PVR2. It's a gameplay recorder. Okay, I just got it today for $150. It was on sale. I will put a description where you can. I will put a link in the description where you can get this. And yeah, let's open it up and see what I got. Let's see. First, you got open this shit up. Okay. Okay, first you got your RC power cable for it, the AC adapter. Okay. AC adapter. You got your component cables for the. This is for the PS3. You got a component cable for. My component cable here. It's a HDMI. Okay. You get USB for your computer to the device. You also get this plugs into the back of your Xbox, I think. Yeah, this has a USB that plugs back to your Xbox. From this, you plug this in from your computer to the device. You also get another USB HDMI, and you get the instructions and setup guide. So it's pretty cool. And now to get the real thing, pop. So this is the HDPVR2. Comes with an insulation disc already, so just plug it in and you're good to go. So this is our recording system right here, HDPVR2. It's pretty cool. You got your components back here. You got your for the AC adapter, for USB, HDMI for PlayStation, HDMI for the Xbox 360. Okay. Take this plastic off. I always like to take the plastic off on this thing, so it looks way cooler. But then if you look at that, just remove that. Yeah, and to start recording, it comes with this little button here. Instead of I'm using a remote or something. That's pretty cool. Yeah, and it has and there's little rubbery things here. Just stand up like this, Xbox or something. Yeah, so that is my first unboxing. I will do another video to show how to set it up with your Xbox, your TV, and your computer. Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be making way more videos on my channel, like GTA and NBA, stuff like that. Okay, peace guys.